Hello aspirants, welcome to my channel Aspirants Insights. In this video I am going to share about me and the reason behind starting this Aspirants Insights channel. I have done bachelor's in agriculture and completed MWork in food processing and engineering in 2021. After which I realized that I wanted to become food safety officer, and luckily after my MWork the notification regarding it has been released, so I started preparing for that. I have cleared Tier 1 also, but unfortunately I have failed in Tier 2 because of some flaws from my end only. During my preparation, I focused only on FSO and didn't study for any other competitive exam. That is the major mistake I have done. Back then I know about SSC also, but after seeing the syllabus and the pattern of it, I am very weak in maths, so I thought that it is not my cup of tea and I have left there itself. After my failure in Tier 2 of the FSO, I thought that I am never gonna write any other competitive exams, and I went into depression also for some days. During this process, 2 years of my life had went in vain, but I had gone through lots of experiences. 2 months before SSC CGL 2024 examination, I realized that I am going to give this examination one last try, irrespective of my weakness in maths. So I started researching about it, and initial 20 days of my preparation went for researching and what does this exam require from my end. Basically I am emotionally weaker person, and considering all the trauma that I had went in past, it took me a lot of time to first of all fix my mind to prepare for this exam, and took lots of help from YouTube psychological videos and made myself stronger. And hardly 1 month is left for the exam, so I thought I should strictly prepare for it and join the library and work hard irrespective of the time. And I've gone through lots of struggles and experiences which I am going to share with you all in the further videos. That is the main reason of me creating this channel, to share my experiences which you doesn't have to face it, and lots of time got wasted in learning things and realizing it. So if I share all those things with you, your time will be saved, and I make sure that I won't share unnecessary things and waste your time, because during my preparation phase I have realized the importance of time. As the exam is getting nearer, my mock score started increasing, but I don't have the time to complete the syllabus in time. I've regretted about not starting my preparation earlier. In this channel, you'll find the preparation strategies and the lessons that I have learned, so that you doesn't have to waste your time in doing unnecessary things. The smart ways, the effective resources to complete your syllabus in time, and tips to increase your mock score. In my next videos, I'll be sharing with you all my SSC CGL exam experience and the raw score that I got, and how I was able to improve my mock score in very short span. After all these things that I have faced, I gained confidence and become a better person. So I am deciding to restart my journey for preparing for SSC CGL 2025, RRB NTPC and other upcoming competitive examination which have the same syllabus. So I request you all to join me in this journey, and let's support each other. Please excuse if there are any mistakes, as this is my first video. I'll try to improve the quality. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.